RBB is the company you come to when you don't know what you need exactly, but you need it quickly, and it's typically in a small batch. RBB was founded in 1973. Barry Romick, David Bayer, and Dick Beery, three guys who knew each other from college. They all had similar interests. At that time, back in the 70s, they were designing control systems for local manufacturers.
One of the things that I love about RBB is the people that we work with. We really do have a great team, and we've had a lot of customers come through and really point out at how great our team is here. I give a tour here, and it's kind of like it's touring itself here on the floor. The operators of the machines out there are pretty proud of how their machine works and the quality that they're putting into the product we're building here.
Culture to us is not something that we do separately from running the business. The core values that we have, even that wasn't good enough for us. We wanted to make sure that all of our employees knew what that looked like in terms of real behavior. So we went ahead and defined 21 specific RBB behaviors and have even put that on our website so that our clients and our suppliers can hold us accountable to those.
The culture here is the main thing that brought me here. You know, I've not been here before, but what I had heard about the culture here is I heard it was better than what you'll find anywhere else in the area.
I started here with no knowledge of electronics other than I like to play video games. So they really trained me from the ground up, learning the aspects of how to do my job and how to put the parts together to make the board work. And I really appreciated that level of commitment to someone who was so fresh.
On the culture of RBB and like the Good Mojo and stuff like that, I think it goes into the fact that we are small. Everybody knows everybody's name and everybody knows what we're all working for, basically. Like the end goal is to like deliver the win and get the customer what they need when they need it.